Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, we're not doing the cooking portion, we're doing the serving portion. We're having some lasagna and some garlic bread that we brought home from school, right? From a teaching class. So yeah, look at that. Isn't that delicious? Look at all that buttery and fresh garlic, and then the lasagna. I think she said this lasagna came from Costco. Anyway, we heated this up because we are hungry and I thought I'd show you. So let me grab something here. This video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're wondering what that noise is, it's the coffee pot. Okay, so Quick and Easy Meals, again, it's Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the host of this collaboration is myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have Jean Home Decor and More, and Debbie Bubbles, and occasionally we do have My Mountain Home and Kitchen. So let's get started. I'm going to serve myself a little piece here, and then we'll go to the reveal, and then we'll sit down and eat. All right. It is freezing over here in Colorado. It is snowing. Some places are getting hit really hard. I hope you guys are staying safe. And then I'm gonna grab, look how delicious that looks. And then I'm gonna grab a small piece of garlic bread. If I want some more, I'll get some more, guys. So this is what everything is looking like. Matthew's in the background putting all of the dishes away, getting ready to have some coffee, and we are gonna sit down and have some dinner together. Now that I've showed you the food that we ate, I want to show you, because since this is a special edition and it is your favorite cake. Well, this is what I purchased because I had never tried it, the Louisiana Crunch cake. I never tried this cake. I didn't make anything. And actually in this particular, to show you my favorite cake doesn't mean I know how to make this cake, but I was just, look at the piece that I had already. This is absolutely delicious. And I love all the stuff on top of it. So Matthew and I decided to bring this over to the meeting that I had with everyone, and then we came home with this much. That's how much food there was. This was absolutely delicious. We had this with some coffee, and of course, because it's Valentine's Day, I couldn't leave out the cookies, and he has sugar with his coffee and I don't. So let me go over and grab my coffee so that we can cut a piece of this. So it's not that it's my favorite cake, but I would recommend it if you like this type of cake. It tastes like a pound cake with these really nice, sugar on top. And this is like a touch of lemon. So I really enjoyed it with my coffee. So I'm gonna say it's one of my favorite cakes. I wouldn't attempt to make this yet, but I love the texture of this cake. I just love pound cake type texture. And then of course, we love these cookies. So these are like the last remaining of our cookies. So let me go ahead and get my coffee, and I'm gonna cut myself a piece of the Louisiana Crunch cake. All right, so I got my mug. It has the coffee already in it, halfway gone though, and I love it. It says create, and I actually thrifted this mug. It's just, I love Ray Dunn mugs, so I have a collection of it. So let me go ahead and cut a piece, and I probably need to go get some more coffee. I just want to go ahead and show you. Let's do some with the sugar, because this other side doesn't have so much sugar. So I'm gonna cut me a piece like this. And if you're not gonna eat this type of cake, I'm gonna tell you right now, this freezes well. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Okay, so again, I'm showing you the Louisiana Crunch cake, and you can see that deep yellow. It is so, I love pound cake, so that has the pound cake consistency, and look at the sugar right here. I imagine you can put anything you want on top of there, but that's what I'm showing you for my special edition of Quick and Easy Meals. So if I didn't say that before, I think I did. The lasagna came from Costco's. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? I had it yesterday at our meeting, and I thought it was delicious. And then, of course, the garlic bread. Half of this someone bought, the smaller pieces, and I think she did this one. So you can see the difference. This one is saturated in butter, I think, right? Butter and garlic. And then this one he did right there at the meeting. So that was really fun, guys. So it looks delicious. I don't know if it's just named Costco's or it's a certain brand, but I can tell you it was delicious. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.